Yo, what's up guys? So today we're gonna go and spend a little bit of money. Okay, not a little bit of money, but a lot of money. And we're gonna drive down a few hours. And if you don't follow me on Instagram, you don't know that I'm actually looking at buying a new car, a project car for the channel, for myself. So let's head on down there. It's a few hours away, like I mentioned, so let's head on down there and I'll take you guys with me. If you guys haven't done so already, follow me on Instagram so you can stay up to date with things like this before they even happen. And then subscribe, comment, like, anything helps. And let's get to it.
Hey, cool car, man. Cool car, man. What is that, Ferrari? Oh, maybe this one, Ferrari. No. Maybe this one, a BMW.
What's up guys? So if you saw from the previous clips or if you follow me on Instagram, you know that today I took a long drive down to I don't even know what you call it, North Carolina, Virginia area, like right by the border, and I bought a new car, but it wasn't for myself. I've been wanting to buy a new car. I've been looking at Datsuns, I've been looking at E30s, I've been looking at M3s, but something told me to not go that route, and I decided to buy my dad a car. So my dad has been buying me and my brother's cars since we were kids. I wanted a BMW when I was 16 and he got me a BMW. I wanted a Subaru after that and he got me a Subaru. My brother wanted a Lexus, he got my brother a Lexus, and that's just the type of person he is. And even though we didn't have the money for it, he made it happen somehow. He's worked a little bit harder just so he could afford what we wanted, and he put our needs first. And because of that, I decided to put my needs aside on this one and buy him what he wanted. For those of you who know my dad, he loves old classics, he loves old cars. His dream car is actually a 1968 through 81 Corvette Stingray. And he loves that car, he's been talking about it for years. And you know what, I decided it was finally time to make that happen. Me, luckily I have the means now to do so. So I thought, you know what, why not help him use this as an excuse to not only build a project on my channel, but also give back to him. When I originally brought up the idea of buying him a car, he said no. He was just like, nope, we don't need it, I don't need it, now's not the time, every excuse in the book. But today I drove down to Virginia, North Carolina area, and I bought him exactly what he wanted. So without further ado, welcome the new build to the channel. This is a 1981 Corvette Stingray. You know, I just added to the collection. I have a V8. This is also a V8. This comes in this beautiful like cream tan color. I don't even know what you call it, but just gave it a wash to clean it up before I give it to him. Pop-up headlights. There is the Corvette badge right there. You know what the coolest thing about this is? Right here, look at this. I've never seen that before, but as you can see, super clean interior. I got super lucky with this. Steering wheel needs to go. That's not gonna stay for too long, but get in it. And as you can see, we have the L82. So I got lucky because I was driving up to North Carolina thinking this was an L81 engine, and I was surprised that it was an L82. So L82 just means that instead of the 190 horsepower that comes with the base model, this is the kind of higher spec model that comes with 250, also a V8, and it comes with like the paint matched T-tops and things like that. So I lucked out in this. The interior is super clean, no rust on the car. It does need some body work, but that's a given. It's a 40-year-old car, literally 40 years old. So let's head on home. He doesn't know I'm coming, he doesn't know I bought the car, so we're gonna go home, surprise him, and see how his reaction is. Whew, okay, I just got home. I'm nervous as hell. I'm gonna go knock on the door and tell him to come outside, see his reaction.
Yeah.
Sorry, you're on the vlog.
Come on in. Come on in.
No, you come on out.
Check my crib. Uh-oh. 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 Uh-oh.
All the way from Pennsylvania, just for you.
Uh-oh. So these guys were lying to us that you're in the gym?
I was at the gym.
That noise everybody makes.
There he goes. There he goes.
There we go.
So it's the next day now, and I completely forgot that I didn't make an outro, nor did I give any more on my dad's reaction. It was very dark out, so recording anymore just would have been pointless, but he was beyond happy with it. He laid down on the hood and stuff and looked at my mom and was like, I don't need you no more. I have this and that. So coming from him, that's a lot. So I'm glad that he's happy, and I'm glad that he loved the car. He had no complaints about it whatsoever. So now we have two muscle cars in the family. We got this one and we got that one back there. It was a big mistake taking that thing up to North Carolina. I think with both of these cars combined and that 4-hour drive, I think I spent $170 on gas, around that. Maybe a little bit less, but yeah, around that much. So we got some gas guzzles on our hands. So what's in store for this car? We got a bunch of things planned. So first thing, as I mentioned in one of the previous clips, the steering wheel needs to go. This thing feels like it has oils of different people just embedded into the leather, and it feels kind of nasty. So this needs to go. A wood grain kind of metal silver steering wheel probably be best. After that, me and my dad both decided that we want some side exhaust header pipes that come out on the side of the car. So that would be amazing to have add to the look and the sound of the car, and then eventually, you know, paint it. This car is 40 years old, so it needs a lot of body work in different miscellaneous places, so get that done. But this is just the beginning to another build on this channel. Me and my dad are gonna be working close on this one, getting it to wherever he wants it to be. I'm not playing a part which route it goes, he's gonna choose that. But in terms of future videos, I think things are gonna slow down just a little bit for the Charger back there because things are getting expensive. This car was expensive, so just for my own sake, slow it down a little bit. But we are gonna start like the garage build and stuff, so painting the garage, the flooring, all that kind of stuff, setting up into like a cool man cave style garage where we can just chill out, work on the car and stuff. So we're gonna be doing that. This does not mean that this is a muscle car channel by any means. I still love everything. I still love Euro, I still love JDM, I still love American, as you can tell. But hopefully in the future we can get our hands on an E30 or a Datsun. That would be ideal. Hey, who knows, maybe one day we get to build an RWB Porsche. But stay tuned for more content. Hopefully I can drop some more frequent videos, maybe once a week, maybe once every 2 weeks, something like that, on different random things. Hopefully just give me some ideas in the comments below of things that you would like to see from me on my. That being said, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.